So there are cutters in the market, and then there's a Graphtec. You can expect it to be a solid machine. You can expect it to cut various types of material. It will cut material up to 10 mil. There's a lot of features that are integrated into this machine that are going to help you complete your job with accuracy. Let's say, for example, that you decided to cut a material that's about 10 mil, so it's a little thicker than your regular heat press. Well, when you're cutting that material, you want to turn on something that's called tangential. Tangential emulation, basically what that's going to do is it's going to lift up the blade at every corner, and it's going to come up and it's going to turn. What that's going to give you is that's going to give you sharp corners. You're also going to want to turn on the overcut. The overcut is going to give you that little extra cut that you're going to need sometimes with materials specifically that have fibers in them, for example. Let's say also that you want to maximize on your material. This particular machine happens to be a CE6000 24-inch, so you're going to be able to get 24 inches to be cut out of it. Typically, on a regular cutter, you're going to have it just read the pinch rollers, and so it's not going to maximize on the whole material. So if you've had at a 24-inch, it'll probably read like 23 inches. There's a feature in here that's called expand. You go into the special menu, you turn on expand, it's going to give you an additional ½ inch on each side. Another nice feature that this has is that it has a pre-feed or auto pre-feed. If you've got a big roll on here, you want to do some long runs. Instead of having it tug from the roll itself, you can have it pre-feed 30 inches, for example. It'll feed out 30 inches, it'll bring it back. It's actually going to be doing two things there. One, it's going to be giving you a slack, and second, it'll be giving you some pinch roller marks. So it will serve as a guide. So the media will not skew. It'll stay nice and straight. That will turn on once you send your job. The machine comes with a plug-in that integrates into Illustrator or Corel Draw. You can set up everything here, and when you get to the plugin, all you have to do is tell it what condition you're using, and it will send the job. There are 8 conditions that you can use. So if you have different types of material, for example, that require different speeds or maybe different thicknesses, then you can set that up for each one of your conditions. As far as warranty with this machine, it comes with 1 year, and if you register within 30 days, you will get an additional year. So you will get 2 years. That will cover parts and labor. And also remember that as long as you have your Graphtec, Graphtec will always be supporting you.